This math problem looks simple, but it is controversial. The expression is 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2 in parentheses. Some people say the answer is 1. Others say the answer is 9. First, let's see why some people get 1. They treat 2 times the parentheses as one complete group. So they read the expression as 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. First, calculate inside the parentheses. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. Finally, 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So with this interpretation, the answer is 1. Now let's see why others get 9. Using the standard order of operations, multiplication and division have the same priority. So after the parentheses, we calculate from left to right. Again, 1 plus 2 equals 3. The expression becomes 6 divided by 2 times 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. So with this interpretation, the answer is 9. The real issue is that the original expression is written ambiguously. If you mean 1, write it as 6 divided by bracket 2 times 1 plus 2. If you mean 9, write it as 6 divided by 2, then multiplied by 1 plus 2. So the controversy is not only about calculation, it is also about how the expression is interpreted.